Vega Bond V9 Foam Adhesive. A revolutionary fast bonding foam adhesive that achieves rapid adhesion for architectural foam shapes and panels in just 60 seconds, with a quick drying time of 5 to 7 minutes. An ideal choice for attaching interior and exterior architectural foam shapes, trims, decorative tiles, moldings, crawl spaces, EPS and XPS foam boards, as well as FRP and GFRC panels. It exhibits a strong bond to diverse construction materials, such as metal, foam, concrete, wood, stone, and compatible to all foam panel technologies. Its exceptional performance extends even to wet or damp surfaces, depending on factors such as relative humidity and surface temperature. A single can of this foam adhesive has the potential to cover an impressive expanse of up to 600 linear feet when applied in a 12-inch bead pattern. It does not degrade XPS and EPS polysterene foams. Elevate designs, bond with perfection with Vega Bond V9 Foam Adhesive.